Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to explain how Robinhood's Cash Sweep works in a simple way. So, when you have uninvested cash just sitting in your Robinhood account, it doesn't stay idle. Robinhood automatically moves that money into program banks where it can actually earn you interest. By default, you're already enrolled when you open your account. Now here's the cool part. The cash that gets swept into those banks is protected by FDIC insurance, up to $2.5 million total. Each bank covers up to $250,000, and if you have more than that, the extra gets spread across other banks in the program. For example, if you had $260,000, about $248,000 would go into one bank, and the remaining $12,000 would move to another. That way, you stay within those FDIC limits. The banks pay you interest on that cash, minus a small fee for Robinhood, and if you don't want to earn interest, you can turn the sweep program off and just keep your cash in your brokerage account, which is covered under SIPC instead of FDIC. And that's pretty much it. That's how the Cash Sweep program works on Robinhood. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.